This is the Avhrit 5000 lumen professional LED work light. It's got a dual power. It runs off either lithium ion batteries or an AC cord, both included in the kit, along with the battery and the charger. There's the instruction manual. There's the charger. I don't think there's anything else in the box. So let's take a look at this unit. The battery pack slides up inside the unit, has this protector bar that you remove and then pull the battery out, pretty much just like a cordless drill. It looks very similar to a cordless drill battery. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to fit any other brand, but it slides right in there and locks in place. And once again, this protector bar is there to keep it from being slung out in case the thing's knocked over or something. On this side, you see the control panel. And here's the port where you can plug in your power cord. Even though it comes with its own power cord, you can plug in a regular 3-prong AC extension cord as long as your plug on your cord isn't bigger than the hole. I'm going to take the battery out so that you can see that it can be operated with the battery not in there. So I take my extension cord and line it up and plug it in, push it all the way in. I get a green light there on the bottom below the power switch. I'm going to raise these flaps up with the lights on them and turn them away so they don't blind us. Bottom button is the on-off switch. Push it one time, it's on. It is very bright. I'll be using this a lot to create shadows and stuff so I can see my paint and body work better. Everybody that knows me knows I love lights. The top button dims the lights. You have 3 brightness settings, high, medium, and low. These turn, fold in, press it again, that's off. Now let's try it again with the battery. It slides right into the slots and locks in place. Then put your protector bar back in place for the just in case. You don't want to drop it or something, have the battery come shooting out of it. Now it uses the same power button for the battery operation too. And I forgot to show you, you hold the button in, one of the lights will go off. Hold it in again and it'll switch lights. And push it again, it's on full brightness, both lights. Then you can adjust the brightness up or down with the upper button. Now, when the battery power is on, besides the green power light, there is a yellow and a red light, LED light there below the power button, so you know you're operating on battery. Now let's give it a try in darkness, see what it's looking like. It's not completely dark in here, but it's pretty dark. I have to turn on my hat light so I can even see. Turn those away. Yep, that's a pretty bright light. Take it over here and shine it on the wall. But first, let's cycle through the brightness levels here in the dark. Even on low, it's pretty bright if you're in a dark room, so you might not need the full brightness. Save your battery power if you don't have a electric outlet where you're working. And the flexibility of the flaps there is pretty handy. You can aim the light right where you want it. I'm going to take it now over by the garage door and shine it on the wall full brightness. That'll light up a whole room. That way you're not being blinded by the light and you can still see around in the room. I'm going to demonstrate a little closer the operation with and without the battery. So I'm going to pull the battery out, and then I will plug in the power again with the AC cord, extension cord. And I'm not using the cord that came with the unit, although you can plug that cord into it and plug it into the wall, but I've already got a extension cord handy. See, the green light is on and showing that we have power, and holding the button does the same thing as I showed you with the battery. It turns one light on, the other one off, and vice versa, and then both lights on, both lights off. Now let me show you the battery charger and where it plugs in at on the battery while I'm here. Right there, it plugs in there, and then you plug your charger into the wall. The battery has a charge indicator button on the end that has 4 lights that light up and tell you the condition of the charge of your battery. I like that the extension cord is hard to pull off. It won't come loose easy. That's great. This one's the same way. It takes some effort to plug it all the way in, but once it's plugged all the way in, then you're secure and it will have power to the light. It gets a firm grip on it. I have to work it to get it come out of there, and that's good. We like a tight fit on our extension cords. And there you have it, the Avhrit 5000 lumen professional LED work light. The link of where to get it is in the description. And I almost forgot to show you the power bank function. You've got the USB-A port there for plugging in your standard USB cords. Then you also have a USB-C port. So you can charge all kinds of devices through those, and our battery pack is huge, so you can run your devices all day with those. If you need a lot of light, this is going to do the trick for you. So please touch my like thingy and share my shizzle and subscribe, damn it!